Steve Matson went into a Legionella and drinking water update, really giving an update as to where we are right now. We are 3 weeks into doing all of our own testing. We do sampling every week on 20 different sites. We've got 10 distribution samples. Those are samples collected from our water distribution system. And to date, none of those samples have produced positive Legionella bacteria. However, samples in the buildings, we also test in buildings, and we are accepting volunteers. That was first initiated at that March 1st community workshop that we said. Anybody that wants to volunteer to have us do sampling, we would love to hear from you. Certainly call me, Julie Kennedy, 259-5020. The caveat that goes with that is we will tell you what those results are immediately, but then you also need to be included in our sampling, because that sampling is included on our website by the end of the week here. So you'll be able to go in and see where we are sampling and what those sample results are. The next part on that, our two-pronged approach to our mitigation efforts. One is sampling, and the second one is disinfection. We are just getting ready to set the date for our second community workshop. We agreed to have that with respect to disinfection and chlorination, and we are looking to have that likely at the end of May, and all customers will be getting a letter stating when that will happen and what disinfection process will look like for our customers.